Hi, my friends. My name is Steven Segura. I am from Colombia. I live in Bogota. I am 21 years old. My birthday is on June 3. I am married and we have a beautiful daughter. I am an industrial engineer. I speak Spanish and Portuguese. And my free time I play guitar. My parents are Lucy and Angel. They are from Colombia. I work at General Motors. I always get up at 4. I go to the kitchen and make some of coffee. At 4:30 I take a shower, brush my teeth and get dressed. At 5 I get ready to go to work. At 5:30 I take a bus. At 6 o'clock I start working with my coworkers to make cars. At 12 o'clock I have lunch at work restaurant. I have time to lunch. It is a beautiful time for me. Then I have past 3. I finish my work, take a bus, and go to home. I often go with my dog to run in the park. At night, I have dinner with my family while we watch TV or Netflix movies. At 10 o'clock, I go to the bed and usually fall asleep quickly because I'm very tired. I like to play the guitar and I like to run in the park with my dog. He's a Siberian Husky. I dislike the wake up early on weekdays and dislike to eat salad.